Hello everybody, Sylvan Money here, and my name is Gastronus. I came all the way from the Cenozoic era to, admire the view of the future. It's really nice. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. The Sylvan Money channel is really close to 20 subscribers, although we did lose one, so we're at 18, but you know what, that's fine, You guys can always unsubscribe if you want. It doesn't matter. Just if you're enjoying the content, then yeah, it really helps out. But let's get right into this video, shall we? Wow, I didn't know the future was so beautiful. Look at all these flowers. Wait, hang on. I need to see how the flowers smell. Gorgeous. Wow, these flowers, man. I really like this place. But I think I'm gonna go on a hike, shall we? Oh, there's a fly. I remember the flies being way bigger, but hey, yeah, let's keep on exploring, shall we? My goodness, look at all of this shrubbery. Yeah, I don't remember this being here, but you know my memory is pretty bad, so yeah. But I heard that this stuff is very itchy. I'm not sure if that's true, but I heard it from my friend Saber-Tooth Tiger. But, we have a little house over there. I don't know if that's for bats or birds. It's probably for either bats or birds. Because, you know, but, yeah, I think it's for bats, maybe. But, yeah, let's keep on exploring since this place is kind of boring. And besides, I do not want to get itchy. So, yeah, let's keep on going. This is so much fun! Woohoo! It's very shady as well, so it's a little chilly. Girls or the men's bathroom? I think I already know where I'm going. I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. Or where was I? Nature in this time period. A little bare, if I do say so myself. Alright, let's keep walking. Here's how far we're gonna be walking. We'll start right there. Look at this giant map. It's gonna be a long hike. That's fine. I think my legs can deal with it. But I'm not sure about this red path though. But yeah, let's just see where it takes us. Oh God, what did I sign up for? Yeah, look at this mud. Ugh. Well, I mean, it might be different from the Cenozoic, but it is still extremely muddy. And, you know, I'm fine with that, you know? What in the tarnation is this? Wow, this is really cool. I'm inside of the tree. It's actually very comfy in here. I actually like it. How's this tree still alive is my question, though. I mean, Jesus Christ, am I right, guys? But, yeah, like and subscribe for that tree. I mean, R.I.P. I mean, if it's dead, but it's probably not dead, but still, R.I.P. to that one side of the tree. It looked a little beat up, you know what I'm saying? That is artwork if I ever did see one. Very, very, very creative. It's even better than Starry Night. Okay, yeah, that wasn't funny. The tree stump is eating me. Oh my goodness, look at this steep hill we got here. Woo. Oh yeah, this looks very cool, but it also looks pretty steep. I am definitely not going down there, but I really like this place. It's really nice. You know, like, it's very, very, very beautiful. You know what? I think I like the future. I mean, not as much as the Cenozoic, since, you know, humans be polluted everything. But, yeah, it's still pretty nice, not gonna lie. Oh, but that view, though? Ooh. Very nice. Well, this tree's been doing some crazy stuff. I honestly like it. I honestly like it, you know? In their right mind, draw stuff on trees. Like, this is just hurting the tree, you know? Which is why I like the Cenozoic better. More carvings on trees. It's sad when you think about it, though, you know? But that's fine. Who keeps on thinking these trees are canvases, man? Disgraceful. Am I right? I mean, come on. You have to hit subscribe if you guys agree with me. I mean, seriously, look at this. Jennifer and Jamie forever. Well, if some of you guys are named Jennifer and Jamie, then good names. But please don't carve your name on the tree, please. Please, please. Oh, look, I see more of a head. I don't know if you guys can see that yet, but look at this. Look at this nonsense. Ben, Kim, TNT. There's a TNT thing. Oh my god. There's another. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna stop filming these trees. It's giving me a massive headache because they're everywhere. Not gonna lie, so. Oh, wait, hang on. Let's just film this one last one. Look at this. Giant heart. Well, at least they carved a heart, you know? It's really sad, you know? But, yeah, let's keep on exploring, shall we? Oh, you have to be fucked. This. Oh, and, never mind that nonsense right there. Look at this. Woo. This view is insane. Just insane. Like, it's gorgeous. You know what I'm saying, dog? This is very beautiful. Ooh, I think we can get a better shot up there. Alright, now this drawing of a pooch is actually very cute. I kind of approve, you know. But, yeah, let's keep walking this way. Got this log right here that has seen better days. Then we have this thing over here, looking like something from a game or something. Like, this looks insane. And especially look at this. Whew. Man. It reminds me of my place in the Cenozoic. This looks insane. Be careful, Solving Money! I know, my guy, I know. I have a feeling you don't know because you're taking risky jumps. Don't worry, guys, you won't see any death on camera. Sylvan Money will live to see her to make more videos. Oh my god. What are these? Hey, guys, tell me what this is in the comments below if they are turned on. This looks insane. Alright, Sylvan Money, can I please do something Lion King on this rock? Because that looks insane. More engravings. What the fuck? We have this right here. Yeah, why does this look so insane? This place is no business being this insane looking. If you guys want to know where I'm at so you can witness this for yourself, I'll put it on the screen since I forgot what it's called. But it is very insane. And I absolutely love it. Yeah, I just picture a caveman being here, you know what I'm saying, dog? Like, jeez. Look at this. Yeah, alright. Be careful, Sylvan Lady. Be careful. I know, dog. I know. I have a feeling you don't know. Because you're taking risky jumps. You're taking risky jumps. What do you mean taking risky jumps? Oh. Yo. This looks insane. Like, never mind that litter on the ground. Oh yeah. This looks utterly insane. Be careful, son. Be careful, I said. Jesus Christ. I know. You don't know. That's the problem. We almost keep on dying because he don't take that risky jump. Sylvan Money, you little... I'm sorry. I had to take the risky jumps. Sylvan Money, you... Sylvan Money, I swear. If you take that risky jump, I'm ending this clip. Oh my god, jeez! Oh my god, Gastronis, are you okay? Oh, you dropped me on purpose. I did not drop you on purpose. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. If you guys haven't noticed, me and Sylvan Money's chemistry isn't really that well. Let's go. I'm glad we aren't dead, Sylvan Money. But can you just please be a little more careful? Okay, you know this. Yeah. I'll try, you little turd. That was supposed to be a heartfelt moment, and you ruined it by calling me a turd. Sorry, man. Yeah, you better be sorry. You can't get over how insane these rocks look like. Oh my god. You actually kidding your head off. Sylvan Money, I swear to God. Don't worry. No, don't make that jump. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're alive. We're alive. We got this stream right here. Look at how nice this looks. It's like a whole mini waterfall. I'm just gonna take a little sip before we keep on going.
No!
That actually tasted very refreshing. Oh my god, wait, hang on, was there maggots in there? Jesus. Jeez. Oh my god. Sylvan Money, don't do it, man.
Really?
You little... That's it. Sylvan Money, be careful. Guys, please like and subscribe. This is probably the most dangerous trek that we've been on in a while. So, yeah. Please like and subscribe, please. Sylvan Money, you little thing. It's just too dangerous, my guy. Yo, come on, please, man. It's too dangerous. I know, that's why I'm doing it. What? No. You cannot be serious with me right now. Oh, but this view, though. You know what? I forgive you. If you haven't taken a dangerous route, then yeah. Oh my god. Let's jump from this rock to this rock. And why is this so dangerous, my guy? Stop. Stop, I said. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Hey guys, do you know what would make this 1,000 times better? Yeah, Gastronis. If there was cave paintings, like where are the cave paintings? Where are the cave paintings? Oh man, it would be so much cooler if there were cave paintings. You know what? I kind of take that back because that actually looks pretty sick. Oh my! Sylvan Money, I swear to God, you are going to be the death of me, yourself, and this video. I wanna stay alive long enough for the outro. I don't care what happens after that. All right, man. Then after the outro, then I'll just throw you into a ravine. I take it back. Oh, I take it back. God dang it, man. I take it back. This view, man, this is insane. Be careful, I say. See some of this. Yo, doing some parkour, my guy? Yeah, so? That's insane. I know. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, like your parkour skills are top notch. Oh, really, Gastronis? Do you mean that? No! Well, at least I found my cave painting thing. I mean, it's not really ancient, but I mean, it could be from '74, like that one engraving, right? Sylvan Money. True. How are we is still alive. I don't know how we're still alive. Probably because we have some plot armor on us. Plot armor. Yeah, you're funny, man. Yeah, you're really funny, plot armor. Yeah, that's really, really, really funny. We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. I think it's fine to say, yeah. Whew. Only signs of humanity. I think we're gonna be fine. Let's just keep on exploring and ignore that we almost just died. Is this the final stretch? I don't know, Gastronis, I don't know. Please let it be the final stretch. Stairs! Oh my god, thank god. Whew. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I'm starting to lose breath. Is it because of the view? No, it's not because of the view. It's because we've been going up and down, and I feel like I'm gonna give in. Let's ignore those. Oh, no. Jeez. Look at this place. Dang. Oh, this place is insane. I think they should really film a movie here, not gonna lie. That would be insane. Whew. Guys, look at this. Like, this is nature at its finest. Nature at its finest. Gee. Whew. Hey, look at this. Hey, it's a rock. Hey. You know what? I think me and Sylvan Money are gonna keep this for later, because this is a very, very, very pretty rock. Holy crap! Okay, here we go down this hill. Down this hill, it's all good. Sylvan Money, I swear to God, stop being such a daredevil. I know, I'm sorry. I see the end of it. Look, Sylvan Money, look. There's grass down there. Oh, thank God. I thought we were gonna die. Oh my God, disgusting. The hell is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you, Sylvan Money? I'm sorry, man. It had to be done. What do you mean it had to be done? Oh my God, you pissed me off, boy. Oh, ew. Disgusting. Look, aren't you guys hearing those squishing sounds? Oh, disgusting, dog. Ew. Oh my God. Stairs. Wait. Stairs. Oh my God. Oh my God, stairs. Oh, guys. I'm gonna be alright. And not if I throw you over the cliff. Hey, you better not, you little. Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna, you know, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but it's not gonna be pretty. Final stretch. The final stretch. At last. At last. The final stretch. I can't believe this. It's been so long since I've seen this beautiful place. Oh my God. The final stretch. That's the final stretch. You almost got us killed. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. You know, we almost died, but that's fine. Do you agree with us? We almost died. Anyway, see you guys in the next Sylvan Money video. Goodbye. Whew. I'm gonna kill you when we get home. Wait, what?